Hello traders, my name is Angie and I welcome you to Olymp News, where we learn more about market behavior. There is a growing interest in crypto and it's no throwback news of 2015. Today we'll briefly talk about what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. We will also take a sneak peek at the Google stock. It appears that the company is at the threshold of splitting its stock at 20-1. What's more, we'll find out how to react to changes in the UK interest rate and try to put it in a nutshell. It looks like a window of opportunity is opening up in the cryptocurrency market. Remember the growing interest rate in crypto of February-March of 2020? Well, it's even bigger now. Analysts expect $46,000 to $49,000 to become the next resistance level for Bitcoin. How can we make good use of this information? If the market reverses in the resistance zone, Litecoin and Ethereum will become more volatile than BTC. Whenever the Bitcoin price has changed by 30%, altcoins follow it with a price change of 50%. Be sure to find these assets on the Olymp Trade platform and watch their key levels. If the trend reverses, open down trades, but beware of the bullish traps that Bitcoin is famous for. Our recommendations are based on previous crypto chart movements and technical analysis. However, a trader named Sam Baker ignored these factors and developed his own mechanism of trading on tweets hosted by Peter Schiff, one of the best-known critics of Bitcoin. Sam buys BTC right after Mr. Schiff posts his tweets and sells it 72 hours later, achieving an annualized return of 1,000%. By the way, we always share stories like this on the Olymp Trade Telegram channel. Traders follow us there for market and platform news, daily trade signals, and more. Find everything you need to be successful in the channel's feed. The alphabet company Google has reported an incredible increase in net profit of 80% and a 41% increase in revenue. The company is now planning a major stock split, which means it will give 19 additional shares for each share an investor owns now. But the value of the shares will decrease to 5% of the previous value. Such a grand split against the background of Alphabet's upbeat earnings statement will lead to an increase in minor investors' appetite for the shares. So our 2 cents on the Google stock is to make up trades. Google is not the only one to shake the market in 2022. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance has taken a $200 million stake in US Forbes. The deal will help Forbes finally complete its preparations to go public in Q1 of 2022. The stock will be traded under the ticker FRBS and may soon be added to the Olymp Trade list of assets. So mend your sails while the weather is fine. Meanwhile, UK inflation climbed to the highest point in almost 30 years as CPI jumped to 5.5%. Although there is inequality of votes on the measure, the Bank of England's next policy meeting may result in raising the interest rate. It seems that the BOE will become the first one amongst its peers that is ready to take drastic actions. Keep this in mind. Additionally, we expect the British pound to grow significantly against other currencies. Keep your eyes on GBP CHF and GBP JPY pairs and make up trades. Check this out. We have updated the stocks mode on the Olymp Trade platform. From now on, you're able to trade fractional units if you cannot afford the whole asset share. By the way, it's a good deal right now, right before the Google split. You can invest in stocks starting with just $1 or 0.01 units of a share. Don't forget to share your comment on what asset you're going to buy first using the new feature. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notifications bell so you won't miss new episodes of Olymp News. We wish you great luck and profitable trades. See you next time.